let's do an easy stretch. We're going to do some easy stretches to wake up the body in the morning. I'm Nora Day. Here's a quickie, easy morning stretch for you all. Inhale your arms up. Look down at your feet. Make sure your feet are parallel. Your feet can be as wide apart as you like, or they can be as close together as you like. Stand on your strong legs, and now look up. Reach your arms back a little. Take 5 pumps with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees. Roll the body down. Ooh. Drop your arms. Drop your head. Roll the body back up. Strong legs press down into the mat. Parallel knees. Inhale. Open the arms. Inhale the arms up. Lean over to one side. Come back up. Lean over to the other side. Come on up to center point. Clasp your hands, palms face up. Look up this time. Maybe you can even look back for your 5 pumps. Arms back, back. 3, 4, 5. Open the arms, bend the knees. We're just warming up, waking up. Drop down. Some of you start straightening your legs. Start pedaling in your knees. One knee bends, the other leg is straight. Drop your arms, drop your head. Bend both knees to center point. Roll the body up. Strong legs. Straight legs, everything in neutral position. Center point, look up, open your arms. Bring your palms to your heart. Close your eyes for 2 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, center the body, center the mind. One more inhale. Exhale, release your hands, open your eyes. Good morning, everybody. Easy, gentle wake-ups. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this, go to yoginora.com.